Danila Siling Cruz, Maylene Saison, and Maria Gregory. Duties and responsibilities as follows. General Manager, I am the one who makes the plan, who directs them, who coordinates with the other manager to accomplish our goals. The Finance Manager is responsible for cash monetary. The Assistant Finance Manager help her computing those monetary funds. Marketing Sales Manager, of course, is very important in the company. Marketing Sales Manager, they are the one who promote our company. So we really give them a big we gave them big trust to promote our company. Of course, Assistant Marketing Sales Manager do as well as the marketing or the Sales Manager marketing, but help the dining manager responsible for our operation during the catering. Our kitchen party planner, of course, is what I've said before. He's the one opening and closing the party. And it is also included in our package. And our waitresses, of course, without waitresses, foods cannot be served, so they are important also. Our bartender, actually bartender is optional. Our hot chef, we separated, we made two chefs for different cuisine or for different dish. For our hot chef for hot foods, and our cold chef for cold foods. Here's our dining layout, explained by our dining manager, Mr. Arvin Rosales.
Good afternoon. I'm the dining manager. Well, thank you for coming to the master. This will be an example of a proposed dining. This will be the stage and the gazebo where you can see the two chairs for the prom king and queen. As an example of our catering service is the prom night. So we included stage for the prom king and queen because this particular the prom king and queen is the start of the night because the judges or the profs will choose the best girl best dress in the night. So this will be the area for the three people. As what you can see, our menu have have the appetizer, the soup, to our for desserts and ice cream. The appetizer will be the bacon wrap asparagus. Then next with the cream of corn soup, sweet salad, stuffed sweet. And then the entry will be the chicken barbecue at a brain sauce, pork tenderloin onion marinated, beef strips with teriyaki sauce, fruit cocktail cream, and the juice will be the lemon ice. And for the cocktail, we will have the sherry. Then next, this will be the proposed table for four. That's what you can see. Then this will be the place for the dance floor. Dance floor because our catering service is for the high school, so we included a dance floor where students can enjoy the party. And for the kitchen layout,
Actually, our kitchen layout is simple as well. As you can see, we have three stations here. For frying, grilling, and frying, grilling, and steak station. Different station. And the freezer. A grocery, of course, we have stacks to be cooked. And our refrigerator, our preparation area, and our entrance. Next is our uniform. Of course, our standard uniform for kitchen is toe, our pants, and chef's uniform. Plunge shoes also. for our dining uniform, we chose to have a long sleeve, black long sleeve, paired with silver necktie and black pants, and of course, black shoes also, because it looks very sophisticated and exquisite. And of course, for women, we choose blouse and shoes, black shoes also, skirt and red belt. One is our personal hygiene because we wanted to assure that we could give our customer the best we can. So that's why we included that. Personal hygiene, of course, is very important. A lot of diseases coming through right now, so it's very important to take care of our food. And of course, proper attire during the catering service or even cooking. Because you cannot cook when you are wearing sandals only or you're wearing short sleeve. You might get burned. And employer responsibility. Actually, there's a lot of that. But in summary, employer must have rules and regulations to be given to the employee for them to follow. The employer responsibility, of course, take reasonable care to avoid injury. Of course, they must take care of themselves, cooperate with the employees to achieve what are their goals, comply with the law, or what mean by law, or mean by the guidelines set by the employer, and to refrain misusing rules. Okay, we made a golden rule for everyone because sometimes others might not remember our guidelines, so we made it short. Our golden rule is GREATS, an acronym for Great Request Are Exceeded in Time is Smiling. Of course, nowadays, servers are just giving foods, right? They forgot to smile. So we wanted them to feel that the person who's serving their food is a person which they could talk to. Our marketing analysis will be explained by our marketing manager, Mr. John Perez.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm the marketing manager of the Benjusto company, the catering service. Firstly, we include the marketing analysis, target clientele. Our target clientele is divided into three: shallow market, middle market, and deep market. Shallow market first, because we started in a small business, we target our clientele as the students. Like this event, the JS Promenade Night, which is the high school students. Then the middle market, which is the groups or some organizations we can have to our as our clientele. Then the deep market, we after 3 years we think to have some different branches in Makati, like in Makati, so we can spread our name when Gusto in different branches in the Philippines. Next is the demography, age. Of course, all types of ages we include. Sex, open to all types of gender. Area, nationwide cities. Next is the location, accessibility, and the transportation from our office up to the event where we include our transportation budget. Next is the competition. We give some list of our competitors like Samayas Catering and BSNF Catering Service. SWOT analysis. Of course, our strength of this catering business are delicious foods, of course, quality service like the grades. Everyone, if the managers ask for what our golden rule to our different employees, we always say grades. That's the only word, grades. Then the good ambience, affordability of the food, so that everyone can afford. Weaknesses